Hi there. Welcome to my channel. My name is Manabiha, and I am here to share my topic with you. Whether it's I aim to bring you informative and entertaining content that will keep you coming back for more. So, sit back, relax, and get ready for a journey filled with excitement and learning. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a beat. Let's get started. Software engineering is a field of study that focuses on the development, design, and maintenance of software systems. It is a broad field that encompasses a variety of topics, including software architecture, software design and development, software testing, software maintenance, and more. The field of software engineering has been around since the late 1960s and has evolved significantly over the years. Software engineering is an umbrella term for many different areas of computer science and engineering. It is concerned with the design, development, maintenance, and testing of software systems. It is a complex field that requires knowledge and expertise in a variety of different disciplines. Software engineers must be able to work with a variety of technologies, including programming languages, operating systems, hardware platforms, databases, and more. Software engineering is a process-oriented discipline. It focuses on the development of software products in a systematic, organized, and well-defined manner. Software engineers must have a strong understanding of the software development lifecycle, SDLC, and be able to apply it to their projects. They must also have knowledge of software design principles and be able to apply them to the development of software systems. Software engineering is a collaborative field. Software engineers must work with other professionals, such as project managers, analysts, and testers, to ensure that software applications are developed according to specifications. They also must be able to communicate effectively with users and stakeholders to ensure that the software meets their needs. Software engineering is a rapidly evolving field. As technology advances, so too does the field of software engineering. New tools, techniques, and technologies are constantly being developed and implemented, and software engineers must keep up with these changes in order to stay competitive. Software engineering is an important field of study for anyone who wishes to pursue a career in the software industry. It provides a strong foundation for understanding software systems and how they function, as well as the tools and techniques used to develop and maintain them. It is also an important field for those who wish to pursue research and development in the software industry. Software engineering is the application of engineering principles and practices to the design, development, and maintenance of software applications and systems. It is an interdisciplinary field that draws on proven engineering principles and approaches to ensure that software products are developed in a cost-effective and reliable manner. The term software engineering was first introduced in 1968 by the NATO Science Committee and has since become an important part of the software development process. Software engineering is a systematic approach to the design and development of software, which includes the application of engineering principles and techniques to the analysis, design, development, testing, and maintenance of software applications and systems. The software engineering process typically involves the following activities. 1. Requirements analysis. The first step in the software engineering process is to identify and analyze the requirements of the software application to be developed. This includes understanding the customer's needs and expectations, analyzing the existing system and developing a detailed description of the desired system. 2. Design. The design phase involves the creation of an architecturally sound and reliable software system. This includes the creation of a data model, the selection of an appropriate architecture, the selection of data structures and algorithms, and the development of a user interface. 3. Implementation. During the implementation phase, the software is coded and tested. The goal of this phase is to ensure that the software meets the requirements specified in the design phase. 4. Testing. In the testing phase, the software is tested to ensure that it meets the requirements specified in the design phase. This includes unit testing, integration testing, and system testing. 5. Deployment. The software is deployed in the production environment and monitored to ensure that it is functioning properly. 6. Maintenance. The software is maintained to ensure that it continues to meet the needs of the customer. This includes bug fixes, feature enhancements, and performance tuning. Software engineering is a field of engineering that focuses on the creation, maintenance, and enhancement of software products. It is a discipline of engineering that deals with the application of engineering principles and techniques to software development. It is a subdiscipline of computer science that focuses on the design, development, testing, and maintenance of software applications. Software engineering is the practice of designing, developing, testing, and maintaining software systems in a systematic and cost-effective manner. It is a process-oriented approach to software development, focusing on the development process, rather than the product itself. It is a discipline that combines the principles of computer science and engineering to create software applications. Software engineering emerged as an important field of engineering in the late 1990s and early 2000s. The emergence of the Internet, the development of the World Wide Web, and the rise of the software industry have all contributed to the increased importance of software engineering. The emergence of agile methodologies, such as extreme programming and Scrum, have also contributed to the growth of software engineering. Software engineering is a discipline that requires a combination of knowledge, skills, and experience. It requires the application of engineering principles and techniques, such as design, coding, testing, and maintenance, in order to create software applications. It also requires an understanding of the business needs and requirements of the customer, in order to develop software that meets those needs. Software engineering is a complex process that involves a number of different stages. The stages of software engineering include requirements analysis, design, coding, testing, and maintenance. It is important for software engineers to understand the entire process in order to ensure the successful completion of the project. In order to become a successful software engineer, one must have a solid understanding of the principles and techniques of software engineering. This includes knowledge of software design principles, coding standards, testing techniques, and project management. It also requires an understanding of the customer's needs and requirements, in order to develop software that meets those needs. In the early 2000s, software engineering was still a relatively new discipline. Many of the principles and techniques that are now commonplace were still in their infancy. Software engineering is a complex process that involves a number of different stages. The stages of software engineering include requirements analysis, design, coding, testing, and maintenance. It is important for software engineers to understand the entire process in order to ensure the successful completion of the project. In order to become a successful software engineer, one must have a solid understanding of the principles and techniques of software engineering. This includes knowledge of software design principles, coding standards, testing techniques, and project management. It also requires an understanding of the customer's needs and requirements, in order to develop software that meets those needs. In the early 2000s, software engineering was still a relatively new discipline. Many of the principles and techniques that are now commonplace were still in their infancy. As software engineering was still in its infancy, there were no established standards or practices in place. This led to a lack of consistency in software development, as software engineers were often unsure of how to approach certain tasks or how to use certain technologies. In order to address these challenges, software engineers began to develop and implement industry standards and best practices. These industry standards and best practices provided software engineers with a set of guidelines to follow when developing software. This enabled software engineers to develop software in a more consistent and cost-effective manner. Today, software engineering is a well-established field of engineering. It is a discipline that is constantly evolving as new technologies and approaches are developed. It is a field that requires an understanding of the principles and techniques of software engineering, as well as an understanding of the customer's needs and requirements. Software engineers must be knowledgeable and experienced in order to be successful, and must be able to apply their knowledge and experience in order to develop successful software applications. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. If you have any suggestions for future content or want to share your thoughts, leave a comment below. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Until next time, take care and have a great day.